Welcome to this special unboxing where we reveal the splendor of Alain Saint-Joanis Majestic Boxwood 5-piece setting. But before, let's delve into the exquisite craftsmanship awaiting us. Established in the region of Auvergne, France, Alain Saint-Joanis has been synonymous with luxury cutlery since 1876. Renowned for its dedication to combine traditional craftsmanship with avant-garde design, the brand has become a beacon of French excellence in table art. The Majestic Boxwood collection in particular stands out for its elegant design and the use of high-quality boxwood, known for its durability and beautiful grain. The brand is inspired by watchmaking and jewelry, and each piece is hand-assembled and hand-polished for exceptional quality. The set comes inside a set of an orange box. Everyone familiar with that color can recognize the luxury. The boxwood of each handle feels luxuriously soft to the touch. The knife has an engraving of the brand in the back as well as the word France. This set is not just a collection of utensils, but a piece of art that enhances any dining experience. Share with us if you have ever experienced one of Alain Saint-Joanis cutlery, or if you would like to see another of our products being unboxed.